We're back to Audition. Let me show you how you can set your input and output. Just go to Edit and you will find the Preferences. Open General at first and then search for Audio Hardware. Keep MME as a device class, and then you can see the default input and default output. Everything that's connected to your CPU should be listed here. In my case, I use this newer mic, and as an output, you should see your speakers if you've got some or at least the speakers of your monitor. When you change that, you might have to obviously confirm it via OK, but then close and restart Audition for your changes to be active. Usually the sample rate is going to be adjusted to the hardware that you use, so it's automatically being detected that it works for this specific hardware, but you may want to check the box below as well for specific device defaults, but that should be active by default anyway. If there are still problems, you may want to check the settings of your system. You can do that by simply clicking here. And then you have this Windows sound settings. In my case, it's German. My system is set up to German, but you can, with right click, disable and enable speakers, for example. So if there are problems, you want to check that. Then you can directly go to recording and see your microphone. And there you can simply test if it's connected to your system. So if I speak into mine, we should have bars right here. So I know my microphone is connected to my system. And it should work right here in Audition. Let me confirm that. So press OK, and then I simply record, call that test. I confirm again, the recording starts. This is a test. So you can see my microphone works, and if you want to check your speakers, simply play this, and it should come out of your speakers. And this is how you can set up your input and output in Audition. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.